Which size and shaped pot is best for eco printing? So I recommend that you get the largest pot you absolutely can. And the pot that I use most often in my own studio, and if I am teaching face to face workshops, contains 40 litres of liquid. But a 40-litre pot that is wider rather than taller actually will fit more bundles. You are just going to have to trust me on this because I have tried both. So my recommendation to you is get the largest pot that you can find, get it in a heavy weight of metal, if at all possible, because the thicker the sides, the longer it is going to last for, and get it wider rather than taller for the most efficient use.